We are here at the ASK facility today at BAE Systems as part of the Inspiring Lancashire Celebration Event. And we're going to hear right now from some of the young people who have taken part and what they've thought of it.
In my future, I'd really like to be an engineer, which is what the Inspiring Lancashire really holds at heart.
I'd say I've really enjoyed the experience that we get from doing it as partners as well, and I think it really helps with learning computer-wise stuff. I really enjoyed it, definitely, yeah.
Before I came here, I didn't know that I was interested in engineering, but walking around the site and everything, it's really taught me a lot, and the experience itself, I'm definitely going to remember this, and I might want to become an engineer now.
So in the future I feel like it's going to help me with my GCSE projects, so whether that's using the 3D printer to print my actual project itself or prototype it. Also going forward I'd like to be in an organisation like this, and 3D printing is a very sought after skill that I think is useful for the future.
I think it's great because it helps us with our curriculum. It's certainly inspired a lot of pupils to get on with the new technology.
The Inspiring Lancashire Programme has really helped adapt our understanding of the technology that we can use within industry. It goes hand in hand with the teaching that we're currently doing across all key stages, and the importance of this is now showing through the work that they're able to produce.
I think what I've enjoyed about it most is the opportunities that have come with it. It gives a good basis to go off. I could now say that, wow, I've done all this, I could go into lots of different scholarships. I think it's really helped with my understanding of how different things and mechanics work as well. And because it's an engineering programme, it would help me in future jobs as well. So I think that's what I like most about it.